presenting the Jeep 2019 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, black premium cloth bucket seats, tires, 215/60 R17 BSWS Touring, STD, passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, granite crystal metallic clear coat and engine, 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride.